Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable live transcribe or shortcut on this device. For this, simply go to settings and tap on the option accessibility. Tap on hearing enhancement. Then the first option you can see live transcribe. Just tap on this one. The live transcribe is already enabled in this device. To enable the live transcribe shortcut, turn on this option. If you tap on this one, you can see some option to assign this live transcribe. You can use a tab button in quickly settings panel. Otherwise, you can use the accessibility button. You can use press side and volume buttons. Press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. So simply here I am going to go for with the accessibility button. Now you can see at the bottom right side you can see the accessibility button. If you tap on this one, you can see the live transcribe is enabled. It's very simple. So this setup lets you open live transcribe instantly with a simple button or gesture for faster access. So simply in this way we can enable live transcribe shortcut on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.